Pag hindi ako umabot ng 20,000, titigilan ko na. So guess what? Ngayon po, sa kasalukuyan, I have...
On the outside like this.
Can I do it?
Yeah.
Wow. Can I do two hands? Look at me.
Very cute.
Me?
Ay, maliit lang pala ang kita sa online selling. Or, wala namang bumibili. Or, ang hirap pala, matrabaho pala. Or, hindi pala basta-basta. Magpapak na naman tayo ng orders. Kanina nagpack na si Mr. Ayan, ang naipack niya. At naipull out na niya yung mga ipapak ko. Pinatulog ko muna si Maya kasi ayoko siyang bitbitin ngayon dito sa labas dahil sobrang lamig. As in freezing ang ating temperature today. So, yeah, dito lang tayo. Ito muna ang ating napak, isang picture frame. Papakita ko na lang as I pack kasi nga medyo gusto ko magmadali in case na umiyak si Baby Maya. Magpapasko na friends sa amin few days before Christmas. By the time na pinapanood nyo to, tapos na ang Pasko, diba? Or Pasko na. Merry Christmas po sa ating lahat. Merry Christmas sa Pilipinas, sa Amerika, at sa lahat ng Pilipino sa buong mundo kung nasan man kayo. I'm sure ang lahat ng mga OFW natin, ang lahat ng ating mga kababayan na wala sa Pilipinas ay malungkot. Most of us. Dahil namimiss natin ang Pilipinas. Most of Filipinos abroad miss Philippines the most kapag kapaskuhan. Tama po ba? Kayo po ba ay nasa ibang bansa din? Nalulungkot po ba kayo? I'm sure pare-pareho tayo. But again, maybe I'm wrong. Okay, pakita ko muna sa inyo yung ating mga naibenta. Ipapak. Ito yung isa sa mga bralette na nabenta natin. Kakalist ko lang nito last weekend. Nag-vlog ako dyan. Sabi ko na nga na mabilis mabibenta yan. And then isang blouse. Isang LED lights. Isang Pokemon earrings, dalawang brush, grill brush, panglinis ng grill ba. Isang corkscrew, dalawang set ng, binata ko to, 4 panels ng kurtina, nakuha natin yan sa Kohl's liquidation. I don't know kung naalala ninyo, pero ayan, it's really good quality na curtain, 4 panels. And then, 4 na set ng sapatos or footwear. Isa nito, memory foam slippers. Isang totes na boots, brown. Isang champion tuloy. Isang Columbia na brand na boots din ng pangbata. At ito din ay pangbabae naman na boots pa din. Itong 4 na yan ay galing sa Kohl's liquidation. So, yan. Sana wag muna magising si Maya. Pero kahit magising naman siya, hindi naman ako agad tatawagin ng aking asawa. Dahil baka bumalik naman siya sa tulog or maging happy naman siya, nakalong lang siya ng daddy niya. Pero alam niyo na, baby always wants mommy. Also friends, alam niyo, kakadalawang taon lang pala ng aming YouTube channel na Mezzy Life. So I'm really happy to celebrate that. I think my first vlog on Mezzy Life is December 13th. That's why parang ayun yung iniisip ko na parang ayun yung anniversary ng aming YouTube channel. But I do have first channel before na more about online selling lang, mga tutorial video lang. Ay, Pinay reseller in US, kung saan more on tutorial video lang yung ginawa ko doon. Pero sinukuan ko yon or tinigilan ko yon kasi nga gusto ko ng more vlog style to show the lifestyle of online seller and a mommy. So, ito na yun, Mezzy Life. So, in total, maybe I have more than 3 years of YouTube experience. Pero ang Mezzy Life is 2 years. I really like vlogging. I really enjoy it. I'm really enjoying it. Although, syempre, it's taking time from my family and the business. I think I end the year 2023 with about 9,000 subscriber or 10, almost 10. Sabi ko sa asawa ko na worth it pa ba na ituloy ko to? Worth it pa ba na ituloy ko mag-vlog na ganyan? Kung hindi naman, kumbaga sabi ko nga, money wise hindi siya worth it. So, sabi ko, kasi parang ang dating is, ginagawa ko lang siya for myself, diba? Na hobby, parang ganun. So, I set a goal. Sabi ko, sige, dapat maka 20,000 ako by the end of 2024. Pag hindi ako umabot ng 20,000, titigilan ko na. So, guess what? Ngayon po, sa kasalukuyan, I have 19,300. And December, 23. So, is in 1 week, kaya ko ba makuha yung 700 na subscriber? Parang hindi naman, di ba? Hindi ko na-reach yung goal ko. So, medyo sad. Pero, ang lapit na eh. Alam niyo yun, 700 na lang yan eh. Wait lang. Focus ka muna at baka magkamali-mali ako dito. Lamig. Sa totoo lang ako nanginginig sa lamig. Kaya hindi rin ako makapaglinis dito. Ilang araw ko na gusto maglinis dito. Kaya lang, ang lamig. So, sa ibang araw na lang. Tapos ginagawa ko na lang yung work na kaya kong gawin sa loob ng aming bahay. Mamaya ipapakita ko sa inyo, mag-work ako. Yung mga, nandito kasi yung boxes, ito. Ayan, yung mga boxes na yan ay mga sunglasses cases na kailangan pa namin i-organize or i-sort or repack. Yan. So, yun ang gusto kong tapusin para mabawasan yung mga boxes na nandito. So, at least yung mga yan, kaya kong gawin sa loob ng bahay habang binabantay ng mga bagets, diba? So, ayan, tapos na. Ayan. So, ayan, nakita nyo yung mga yan. Karamihan ng mga nandyan ay mga products na na-list ko na. Ayan, pati yung mga sapatos na yan. Na-list ko na yan lahat. Nasa eBay na sila, pero kailangan ko pa silang ilagay dun sa mga shelf para malagyan ng SKU. Tapos, yung mga nasa gitnang boxes naman ay mga ganito. Mga sunglasses cases na kailangan nating i-repack para ready to sell na. Ayan naman ang ipapasok ko sa loob kasi tatry ko trabahuhin at gusto rin ni Lucas mag-earn ng pera. Kaya, tutulungan niya daw ako. Ang dami. Natatambak. Yung laundry room namin nagiging tambakan. Nagiging stock room na siya. Lalagay ko siya dito. And then, ito naman yung mga palabas. Pagtapos na siya, ganito na yung itsura niya. Nakarepack na siya na assorted ng mga kulay. So, ilalagay ko na siya sa shop. Para ilagay siya dun sa storage room sa labas. Ito naman, mga napicturean, ilalagay ko muna sa trailer kasi wala na kaming space sa shop. I'm still waiting for someone to pick this up. May hinihintay ako magpipick up ng order. So, habang naghihintay ako na magpipick up, gusto na daw ni Lucas mag-work. Kasi, may gusto na naman siyang bilhin. Gusto niya mag-earn, ganyan yan. Kapag ka may pinag-iipunan, gusto lagi mag-work. So, I'm gonna group it. Oh, she's here. I'll be back. Someone's here. So this is 100 sets. I think so far we did like 600. So there's 400 more in the shop. Okay, you can start with yours.
There's 400 more. Really? 4?
Yep.
I didn't know that. Oh, we don't have any.
I don't think we have any. I'll go buy some.
So my husband is gonna go.
I want stuff.
Bye, Daddy.
No, bye-bye.
Gonna go grocery shopping.
Yeah.
And he will deliver the packages while Andrew is eating. And what are you eating? Oranges. Maya
Send me a
sleeping.
message of everything we need.
Okay. I'll text my husband. Texting is our grocery shopping list. That's all why we're texting. So, so wala kami munang labasan. Lumabas lang talaga ako para mag-pack. And then, Maya will stay inside all day. The kids already play outside with their daddy. It was like, what, 30 minutes they were out? Hindi rin sila makatagal sa labas. Kasi talaga freezing ang temperature. Also, Lucas had been asking me for a raise already. Nung nakaraang araw, sabi niya, pwede daw ba na bayaran ko siya ng $1 every 9 minutes na. Eh, di ba kasi, ang sweldo ko sa kanya, $1 per 10 minutes. Gusto niya every 9 minutes na. Nanghihingi na ng raise. Sabi ko, no, kasi minsan nade-distract siya. Like now, you were watching TV, right? But if you are focused, like just working all the time, then sure, I will give you an increase. Andrew, no. He'll be back. Come here. Daddy,
Yeah?
are you still outside?
Yeah?
Can Andrew come with you?
Sure.
Yeah, he's crying. He wants to go with you.
Okay.
Okay.
I'm at the front door, though.
Cold outside. Look, Daddy is also wearing jacket, remember? You want to be sick? Do you want to be sick?
No.
Okay, then go.
Okay.
Can't
Can
work.
I go? Can I go?
He wants to go now too. Lucas wants to go now too. Kami na lang ni Maya. Inumpisahan ko tong trabaho na to dahil gusto ni Lucas. Tapos ngayon, ayan, iniwan niya ako sa ere. Mga bata talaga. Hindi naman siya dapat sasama, nainggit lang kay Andrew. Ayan, si Maya ay tulog pa rin. Pero mukhang magigising na yan maya-maya. So yun nga, ang ating chinichika ko kanina, ang Mezzy Life ay 2 years old na. Pero talaga, history. Pero talaga, meron na akong old channel na Pinay online seller in USA. Ayun yung una kong ginawa na channel. Ang mga video ko doon is more about how to create eBay account, yung mga specific na tutorial talaga about online selling. And then may mga unboxing video din ako doon about liquidation. Pero more on, ang target ko talaga doon is US kasi parang, so English speaking ako dun sa mga videos na yon. And ang target audience ko dun is Americans kasi inisip ko yung business ko is more applicable sa Amerika, parang ganun. Pero, it's not really successful. After a year, meron lang akong 1,000 something na mga subscriber. So, parang sabi ko, I need to do something else. So, nag-Mezzy Life na nga ako, Tagalog vlog, parang film din. Pero, featuring pa din yung online selling business. Ang idea ko naman this time is that not more on tutorial. Kasi kahit naman may mga tutorial video ako dito sa Mezzy Life, marami pa din akong Filipino na ma-reach out. Kasi Amazon and eBay is more international naman. That's why meron ako mga how-to videos about Amazon and eBay. But, I really want to be more like a vlog, kaya Tagalog. And I enjoyed it. Kasi parang sa vlogging, nagtatagalog ako. It's more like, and I enjoyed it kasi I think parang meron akong mga kaibigan in a way na laging kausap. Gaya ngayon, umalis yung aking mag-aama, wala akong kausap, di ba? So, pagka nagva-vlog ako, feeling ko meron akong mga kaibigan na kinakausap, na gustong matuto from me about online selling or mga gustong ma-inspire, lalo na yung mga stay-at-home mom nga na kagaya ko. Parang ang naging goal ko talaga with Mezzy Life is to inspire yung mga stay-at-home mom like me na alam ko busy tayo, lagi tayong occupied with the kids, but we can still do something for ourselves na parang fulfilling. And in my case is online selling. And I think marami namang na-inspire, marami namang nanonood sa akin na nagsabi na na-inspire sila and ngayon nag-online selling na rin sila. And I'm really happy about that. However, personally speaking, meron akong goal with my YouTube channel. Kag natapos ang 2024 nang hindi ako umabot ng 20,000 subscriber, titigilan ko na. So, yun talaga yung goal ko, 20,000. Ang subscriber ko is 19,300. So, parang inaasar lang ako ng YouTube na para bang, ayan yung goal mo, sige, wag natin i-reach. Pero, so close na, 700 na lang Malayo pa, pero malayo na. Yung ganong feeling na, parang ang layo ko pa. Feeling ko kapag naka 100,000 ka, vlogger ka na talaga. Parang ganun yung feeling ko. Malayo pa ako. Pero at the same time, malayo na rin yung 20,000 eh. Marami na akong pinaghirapan, marami na akong oras na nilaan, marami na akong effort, marami na din akong subscriber. And I know na marami na din nagmamahal sa aming pamilya. Kahit na feeling ko, minsan nauubusan na ako ng idea sa pagbablog, marami pa rin ang nanonood at marami pa rin nag-aabang. So, titigil ba ako? I don't think so. Ang mindset ko, kung hindi ako maging successful sa YouTube, it's okay kasi I gained certain skills. So, ayun nga, nag-gain ako na mag-edit ng video. Feeling ko meron ako nag-gain na knowledge about being YouTuber, diba? And also, my communication skills. That was my mindset and I feel like it's good. I think it's somehow hindi sayang yung pagbablog ko kung hindi man ako maging successful sa YouTube. Parang ganun. Parang ganun yung aking mindset. But for now, ayun nga, kahit na feeling ko nag-failed, na hindi ko na-reach yung goal ko, I would still keep going kasi I'm very persistent. In terms of YouTube, I guess, medyo matagal lang, pero hindi natin yan susukuan. And it's the same advice that I want to give dun sa mga viewers ko na nanonood sa akin because they are inspired na magkaroon ng business. Yan, ayan ang marami sa aking mga viewers. They want to have a business at home where they can also still raise their kids, diba? Comment kayo kung isa kayo sa mga nanonood sa akin because of that. Gusto nyo na makasama at mapalaki pa din ang inyong mga anak habang kumikita pa din sa bahay. And that's my biggest advice sa mga nag-start na pero parang iniisip nila, ay maliit lang pala ang kita sa online selling or wala namang bumibili or ang hirap pala, matrabaho pala or hindi pala basta-basta. Of course, kapag nag-start kayo, makikita nyo na yung mga challenges, diba? With this setup. Pero, again, sa una lang naman yan mahirap. Sa una lang naman mahirap ang lahat. Gaya ko nga, in terms of vlogging, sa una lang naman matagal mag-edit ng video. Habang tumatagal, it gets easier. 'Di ba? So, we keep going. We keep doing it. We are persistent. And in my opinion, if you are persistent, wala kang goal na hindi ma-achieve.
Let's cook.
Put it on the hammer for now.
Yeah. Alright.
No, I want to make cheese.
No, you take turns. You each get a turn to do one. Andrew do one and Lucas do one.
There's only two?
Yeah, there's
Then
only
Andrew
two.
do first.
Oh, you want Andrew to first? Okay, push it down.
That's cheese. Give me a piece.
Yeah, that way. Do it. Grate the cheese.
Gray.
Go.
Gray.
Turn it. Turn. 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 Turn.
Gray.
Turn.
Gray.
Turn.
Gray.
Turn.
Gray.
There you go.
And power. And power.
So here we have pizza sauce and we have pepperonis. Pizza dough, you can make it by scratch or we just bought this stuff from the store because,
We don't have dough.
well, we can make it, but it's usually better from the store. Until we get a little bit better with the rising of the yeast on our bread, then we'll just continue to buy from the store.
Yeah.
Pizza dough is one of those things, you need a little practice.
Can I just touch?
Yeah, you can touch it.
Oh, too sticky. It always sticks a little bit to my hand.
I used to make pizzas at the restaurant when I was a little boy. So,
Stop doing that. Stop doing it. I like that. It's splatting.
I'm not professional anymore. I don't have to practice. Plus, it's a little different. It's a little sticky. Usually, like this. And I'm gonna like pretend I'm Lucas. Like Lucas is looking. I have to hurry before Andrew eats all the pepperoni. Oh wait, a little bit more.
No, I put that.
Okay, you guys take turns. pull one out the way the dough is. Let's check. Oh, maybe it's done. It's done. Check that over here. Yeah, that looks done. Okay. Grinch side.
You're a Grinch.
I'm a Grinch.
Yeah. You're a fan. Did you
It's your what?
This is my net.
Your net.
Yeah. This is my fish net.
Yeah.
I just touched
You're gonna catch fish.
it.
Whoa. Why are you making squares?
Because it's a little floppy.
What?
Like-
This is gonna be. Oh, why is it square?
So it's smaller pieces so you can handle it. Because it's a little floppy. Andrew wants some
Maybe
drink.
you
Okay.
Look at this. What? Hot.
You asked for it. Good. I usually like the pizza sauce to be a little bit saltier, but it's good.
Hot. Say goodbye, everybody.
Goodbye, everyone.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching.
Thank you for watching. Till the
Thank
next
you for
video.
watching. Until the next video. Happy selling.
Happy selling.
No